outcome. Let me first explain this setup real quick, and then we'll get into the painting itself. So this was the weight. This is just 1x3, 2 pieces, with a piece of flat stock tied to a rope. And then that was hung up there. It's a eyelet with an S-ring. And I ran that line that we just saw down and locked it onto my vise. I think that if I hadn't locked it here and I just had it come straight down, you would have gotten a different pattern. This was the paint used. I'm just gonna say it was like a 90-10 mix, 90% paint, 10% water. I think the water made it crack when it dried. I don't know if that's true. I did a couple of test runs. Literally, I did 2 test runs, and they were both very, very poor. So I was very happy with this. Overall, I think it looks pretty cool. This is the first time that we have done this, and I had fun with it, so I think we'll do some more. So, hold tight.